Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, the arms down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Just taking your time, moving with mindfulness. One more time, sink the chi. Then the arms float up in front, just to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. Then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. One more time to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Pushing to the corner, one more time. Then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They come right in front of the heart. And then step one foot out a little bit wider, and then soften down. And then as you rise up, look to the side very gently. The hands come up, and then the hands come back to center as you soften down, and then looking the other way. The dragon looks side to side, coming down, and then back up. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the hands go onto their sides, coming right across the eye level, then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, coming across up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release. The arms circle all the way around in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. The arms float up to shoulder height, and then switching sides. And then from here, this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level, and then down. Same side, just the arms at first. The hand comes right out in front, the other hand by the hip. This time you can lift your leg if you like on the same side as the arm in front, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg, touching down or lifting up. As always, meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. One more time on this side, the rooster stands on one leg. Then the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height, taking your time. And then this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level. And then back down, same side again, just the arms at first. The hand comes right out in front, the other one by the hip. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. It's okay to wobble. Just letting go of judgment the best you can. Bringing curiosity instead. One more time, the rooster stands on one leg. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down, and once again, floating up to shoulder height. This time, one hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, and then soften down. This time you can do it all together. Draw the bow as you soften down. One more time, the archer. And then release, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, and this time the arms can stay down low as you drift side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the toes right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the toes. This time, tap the toes, the opposite hand dips down into the sea, hinging from the hips, keeping the spine long. Coming back up, step back in and shift the weight, tap the toes, opposite hand goes into the sea. The needle at the sea bottom. So just keeping your spine long, hinging from the hips. You don't have to go very low. One more time, the needle at the sea bottom. And then step back in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart, and then soften down. The hands brush out to the side, coming all the way up and over, and then down the center line, planting the tree. Other side, the hands float up, coming down the center. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting the tree. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then step out to the side. And as you step out, the bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand comes down. Then circle it around again. Ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand comes under, fingertips slide down, and circle it around again, rolling back. Shifting the weight, and circle it around once more, roll back. This time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the side, the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, the hand folds in, press forward. One more time. We call this one the press. Nice and soft. And then from here, the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then from here, sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time. As you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Circle it around again, ward off. One more time. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, roll back. Yielding, going with the flow. One more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in. Press forward. One more time, the press. Nice and soft. And the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in. Breathing out, one more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back, open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail, Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in. And push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away and press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down by the sides as you step 1 foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. And the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up. As always, just being kind to yourself. This time the arms can reach up and over just as much as you can. And then stepping down, other side, the crane, just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like. You can always touch down. Then the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down, the arms float down by the sides, then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again. Wave hands like clouds. Softening the shoulders and the neck, the face and the eyes. Soften the jaw, using only what you need. And we'll drift across a few more times, like a moving meditation. Wave hands like clouds. All right, one more time, drift across, this time making 2 loose fists, reverse direction, as you drag the clouds across the sky. And then switch, the other fist comes up, drift across the storm clouds. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, storm clouds. And then both arms float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity, building resilience. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. And then stick around for just a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Tai Chi for Resilience. With rooted feet and an open heart, we gather strength right from the start. Through Tai Chi Flow, we find our way, building resilience every day. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.